Okay, what we're looking at now is the binomial distributions. So binomial distributions is represented by this. We're saying x is a binomial distribution, BI, of n and p. Now, binomial distributions are based on Bernoulli, and in a binomial distribution, binomial meaning there's two possible options. So, and this happens based on a Bernoulli trial being performed n number of times with p probability of success. So, basically, we can find this, whichever number of successes we want, we can find with this formula, where we use NCX, p to the power of x, 1 minus p to the power of n minus x. And what we've got here, x represents the number of successes that we want from n trials. P is the probability of success. And we go through this operation here to calculate it. This NCX, it tells us how many ways we can have x successes, given we're taking on n number of trials. So it could be 3 successes from 5 trials, maybe something like that. On CAS, we write this as NCR, and then in brackets n, and our value for x, and that'll give us an answer. This whole thing, though, we can write with binom PDF. So binomial probability distribution function, and in that we'd put in our value of n, so number of trials, p probability of success, and x is our number of, let me fix that up, x is our number of successes. And that'll help us to work out these different values in the table. If we're told to work out a range of numbers, say the probability of that happening, we'd put in binom CDF for cumulative distribution function, and we'd put in n, we'd put in p, we'd put in x min, so the lowest range of values, and then x max, the highest range of values. So that's how we go about using binomial distribution. Okay, on to an example. I was hoping that would all go as well. Let's see, can we select it all? No, anyhow, just about moving things around. Okay, we're working on this. We're saying that it comes straight from question 1. Jack is a good darts player or reasonable darts player. Probability of success in scoring a bullseye is 3 over 7, and he's going to have 5 shots on target. Now, to set this up, x can be any number of successes from our trials. So we could have no success, 1 success, 2 successes, 3 successes, 4 successes, 5 successes, and they're all represented by bullseyes. So it's no bullseyes, 1 bullseye, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And from there, we've got probabilities of each of them. So to find these, we're going to use this, but we're going to put it in our binomial PDF function. So in doing that, what we'd say for the first one, we'd say binom PDF on CAS of, we've got 5 trials, probability of success is 3 over 7, and this is our 0th trial. And in doing so, we'll get 0.0609. Okay. So that can, like I said, can also be represented with 5 trials, 0 successes, 3 over 7 as our probability of success, happening no times, 4 over 7 happening 5 times. So from there, we continue to change our value. So for this point here, we have binom PDF, and for this value, we'd have 5 as our n, because that's the same. 3 over 7 is still the same, because that's our probability of success, and we'll have 1. And in doing so, we'll find that we have 0.2285. And as we keep going, we'll find that our table is populated.